Welcome back to MrYouWho, and here again. Great to have you back with us today. Guys, I'm so excited to be bringing to you the Gravastar Supernova Speaker, as you can see here. Now, I'm so excited to be reviewing this speaker is we've done a number of different reviews on Gravastar products, and we've found them to be outstanding with the sound and the design quality. We did Mars Pro speaker previously, which you can see here, which again was a fantastic speaker, great design, and fantastic sound. And we're very excited to be seeing the Supernova speaker today, see just what it was like. You're going to find this review, the Supernova speaker really is fantastic. From the design, to the build quality, to the sound, to different features, it really is a fantastic speaker, and we're really excited to have it. Now, this is just being launched now. So purchase before April 10th, you can get a free Alpha 65 adapter, which again is fantastic and really nice. And there's also exclusive discount codes below, but we'll jump in, do an unboxing, we'll test out some of the features, we'll test out the sound, so you guys can see exactly what it's like and make your decision about the Galaxy speaker. We have to say it really is fantastic. We love it. So now make sure you let us know what you think and check out other speaker reviews here at MrYouWho. Okay, so we're taking a look at the Gravastar Supernova speaker, and as you can see, there's the box. Lovely black design, and always with Gravastar, they always do have some fantastic packaging with it and fantastic quality products. So we're going to have a look shortly. That's obviously the speaker there. Bit of the specifications, which we'll cover through shortly. Interesting enough, it's a kilo, this speaker, which you can feel such a good build quality. You'll see that shortly. So there's the instruction booklet. Put that to the side. And there's the foam packaging. So here we are, so here's the speaker. So straight away you can see that lovely Gravastar design again they've got. You can see it looks literally out of this world. And straight away you can feel the great build quality. It's nice and heavy there, and that's because of the zinc alloy finish as well. Now that's where the speaker's based as well, which we'll go into shortly, but it's a 25 watt speaker, so you get a lot of great sound out of it. And it comes with a tweeter as well, which is really good. So it comes with Bluetooth as well, which has got about, they say about 15 to 20 meters range, which is excellent. Now obviously this is light changeable as well, so it does come with a carrying handle, which we'll show you shortly, but here's the features here. So to actually turn it on, you hold down that button there, and there you go. See the lights come on, see the lights that come around the side, really, really nice. Turn the volume up, down, volume down there, and that's how you change the lights on there as well. But again, look at that color straight away. I might just turn down the light again, so you guys can see what it looks like. So there's the light there, and look at the light coming out of the bottom feet there as well. Isn't that beautiful? Now you can change the mode so these lights change. Well, there you go, it's changing now. You can go to Campfire mode as well. There's 4 different modes you can use in these, which we'll show you later. You can adjust the legs as well, so it sits out. Now, this really is perfect whether you want to have it for home, whether you want to go out. Because it's got 7 hours battery life on here as well, you can literally take this out camping, out on the go. You can actually use it for light where you're out as well, not just for the music as well, which the music's fantastic. But there's the build quality. Again, lovely zinc alloy finish. It looks really good. The colors change. It's got great power, and it looks really, really nice. So again, let's just take a look at what else comes in the box. So we go back here. You've got the handle, which you can actually put on, which I'll show you guys shortly. Actually, I'll turn the light back on, which I'll show you guys shortly. You've also got your USB-C, you've got your USB-C charging, and you've also got your cable there as well. So again, quick charging, doesn't take 10 to charge, and it's quite easy to turn on as well. So yeah, there's a speaker, and doesn't that look beautiful? So let's go and have a bit more of a close look at it just now. So as you can see, it's a stunning little speaker, the Gravastar Supernova. So now I'm going to go and jump out and actually have a look. So I'm going to go test out the different lighting modes so you can see what it looks like, show you how you can use the handle, and then we'll also go and test out the sound. So you can actually have a sound test, so you can see how good this sounds. But with a 25 watt speaker and a tweeter built in, you're going to love the sound. It really is powerful. Has a great bass, and it sounds fantastic. So let's go and look at that right now. So how easy is the speaker to operate? Well, as you can see here, you just literally hold down the button there to turn it on. There it goes, and it comes on, and it pairs to your phone automatically. Now this mode we have here is the light mode. So you press that button there to choose between the different modes. See that one there? So you press that, and it changes color, just like that. You've got 8 different colors here that you can do. Again, you can see it's beautiful. Let's turn off the lights. So there's the different modes there, as you can see. There's lovely blue. Look at that, isn't that stunning? There's dark blue, red, yet white. It really is beautiful, isn't it? Now here's the next mode I really love. This is Campfire mode. So what it does, it simulates the flickering of a campfire. So as you can see, look how it's flickering in the background. And see how it's flicking off the back of the wall there? This is really great. So if you say go camping, for example, you can use this as your campfire, camping at the night time. It really is lovely. And yeah, isn't that great? So if you put the handle on there as well, it becomes like your own little campfire. Again, lovely. So let's hold this on and play it to some music. And let's see how the sound sounds with it in the background. And if you want to put the handle on, which is shown here, it's just as simple as screwing it into these holes just here, and you've got your own handy little carrying torch you can use around the place too. And there we are, all finished. Now you've got a carrying torch you can actually carry and hold as you're running around the place. See? Okay, now wasn't that fantastic? The Gravastar Supernova Speaker really is beautiful. The build quality, the sound quality, and again the design. So Gravastar really have gone out in their design. There's nothing else out there in the marketplace, which to me is really, really brilliant because it looks beautiful at the home, in the office, if you're going on a holiday. They've done a fantastic job. And I absolutely love the Supernova speaker. So again, if you get them before the 10th of April, you can also get the Alpha 65 adapter, which is great as well. But I really do love Gravastar products. If you want to purchase, there's links in the description below. Let us know what you think of the Gravastar speaker. But yeah, thanks for joining us here again at MrYouWho.